Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairman ka Regional Committee ban pet ngor ya kalong kaman jong ka jing shatlin shop hakabor Mariang uba lakmen Rymbui uba depet ya ka East Jantia bat West Jantia ulay thu baya ka ni ka surong kabahap ka deina ka daw jong uslam ka National Highways Authority of India hanya ka singi kalawan ra ikitiar ban panbha ya ka ni ka surong ulay thu ru ba ka NHAI kan panbha ya ka ni ka surong khanang ba kipat ba kinla ban pendon kambyang ya ka ni ka surong Ula kenturu baki don bun ki benta jong kani ke surok ki basyakta na kadaw jong ke jingjur uslam bat na kaliang ke jong ubat lakamen ula betha ya katenat PWD bat ki bor district man pet khnang bakan omdan kanu ke jingja ke basngosi ula benrap ru da ke baong baki ni Baroh ki de na kadaw jong ke bor Mariang bat ke bakim tip ha kanu ke por kanja ula ong ru bakum kini ki jingja laki day ki pat ba ni ke NHAI kimla ban pen kre bat namar kim tep ha nu ka por kanja hendai ka de ka kamram juki ban pet bakini Baroh anla ban pen bhano kloi kat bala
the commuter, but for the heavy vehicle it will take some more time, and I'm happy also that the district administration and also the Star Cement and Karaman Foundation and other NGO also, they are trying to help the passengers who are stranded there whatever they can. But as I said, it is today all the material which need to temporarily restore the road, they have reached the site, and Nahai they will try to restore at least temporarily for the small vehicle. But for the big vehicle, it will take time. And ahead of that, as I said before, there is one portion which needs attention of the PWD and Nahai, and also beyond Umkiang. And at Kuliang also, there is some crack in the road which may put the travelers or the motorists in danger. And also ahead of Umkiang, about 5 kilometers from Ratachara, the road also is starting to get in. So all necessary precaution is being done, looked into by the district administration so that no unfortunate incidents should happen in the park area. Moreover, to see that the normal traffic in that road could be restored at the earliest. See, as I told you that it's not one stretch, it's not one portion. As of I'm speaking now, there are 4 portions of the road which need to look into. So the PWD road, the Chief Engineer who by himself today was there, and the Nahai, they are looking into it so that, as I said, as early as possible. But the rain is so heavy, it is very difficult for the people to work on that. And moreover, I'm very happy also that the miners nearby also they are trying to divert if they can reclaim the water so that the work could start. I cannot give you the timeline for the road to be complete, but at the earliest.
Since you have visited, can you also tell us how that huge rainwater could flow from there and destroy that particular portion of the highway?
See, the rain is so heavy. That's why from all sides of that hillock accumulate in one spot, and from that one spot it goes to that area. So this is unforeseen situation which neither the Nahai nor the public have prepared for this. So we have to accept that these are the natural calamities which are happen, and it is our duty to see that the road communication could be restored as early as possible.
What could be the main reason that led to the diversion of rainwater to that place? Because in the past also heavy rain was there, we experienced, but could not see this kind of situation.
See, if you use post-mortem everything, it is very difficult. But the rain god this time have the rain is so heavy that the soil, the subsoil, and the topsoil becomes so weak, and who knows, in that upper area, in upper portion where the water, some of the is its stream is being blocked or something like that, then that's why it comes. So it's very difficult for me to explain what happened, how it happened. But the rain is so heavy, and because of that, the water in one go it goes to that particular spot and led to the damage of this particular portion of the road. But not only that, I'm thinking about three other portion which, from what I have seen, that there is danger until unless we try to block those portion as of now.
So trucks that are carrying loads, are they allowed to use the road now?
No, the truck which are carrying all the heavy vehicle is not allowed to ply into those road and will not be allowed until the PUD and the district administration could satisfy that the road is fit for the heavy vehicle to ply through that road. So no heavy vehicle allowed or will be allowed until and unless the safety of that road is being certified by the competent authority.
So how many people have been stranded? And how are they dealing with it?
See, there are many people who are stranded there, but I'm very happy that they could cross to other side of the area where they could catch their vehicle, and the district administration also tried to provide the necessary transportation from the site of the accident to the others, to the nearby place where they could get the vehicle, and food and everything also is being provided. And I'm very happy that everybody is working together to ease the problem faced by the commuter of that area. And as you know, that is the main lifeline of the Lower Assam, Mizoram, and Tripura also. And there are many trucks who are lying on that line. So the SP of East Indies have requested the police headquarters to send 25 personnel to help manage the traffic and also if anything arises. So the police headquarters immediately dispatched yesterday only 25 police personnel to help in those situations. And besides that, also there are some landslide in this Borkat area, in this Huroi area, and also in that Sutnga area, which the PUD are trying to restore the traffic as early as possible. But the main problem is that this NH6, which which the problem is very critical, and I hope that with the technical know-how of the engineers, they will be able to restore as early as possible. See, I am very happy that the people of the border area, they are very cooperative to the police. And yesterday, the VDP of Pulyang village, they have intercepted one vehicle carrying with 14 passengers, where one is from Assam, the driver of the vehicle, and 2 are the local from there only, and 11 are the Bangladeshis. And immediately after they got hold of the vehicle, they have informed the police, and police have arrested those people, all those people involved. That is 14 of them, including 11 from Bangladesh and 3 from our own state. 2 from our own state and 1 from Assam. This is a very encouraging sign that the people of border area, they didn't want that their village or their area to be to be used by anybody as the infiltration point of the foreigner.
So what steps are being taken, sir?
The steps is being taken by the police by different districts, is that to coordinate with the VDP of different villages and also with the village as a whole, so that with the headman or the different village in the border area, to see that if there is any suspicious infiltrator are there, immediately they should inform the police, and then so that they will be arrested.
So are you also in talks with the BSF, sir?
No, the BSF also they are very doing their role in this situation. But who knows, maybe in the last 1 week due to this heavy rain, people are taking advantage of this situation. So maybe so, but this we have to learn a lesson that people, whenever there is this type of situation, maybe the people will try to take advantage of this situation and infiltrate our country. And as I said before, I'm very happy that the people of border area they are very alive to the situation and able to nab all those infiltrators into this week and last week also. After we inspect that road, we have a meeting in DC office where the Honorable MLA, local MLA, Mashid Langpale also, who together we are visiting the site. So we have a meeting to review not only on the park area but on the issue affecting the whole East Jainti Hills district. So in that meeting, we have decided that the chief engineer PWD wrote and the officer from Nahai County office should go immediately and inspect. And today at 11 noon, they have a meeting at DC office, Khayat, where after the meeting, they went to visit the site and they have formulated the plan how to restore that particular road. But fortunately for the small vehicle, there is some alternative road which only small vehicle could ply through starch cement. So the diversion of small vehicle, controlled diversion, because we can, since it is not the normal road, so controlled diversion of the small vehicle could be done through that road, so to ease the problem of the commuter. But for the heavy vehicle, it will take some more time. And I'm happy also that the district administration and also the Star Cement and Karaman Foundation and other NGO also, they are trying to help the passengers or who are stranded there whatever they can. And yesterday, taking into consideration of this situation in the state, our Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister have taken the review meeting at 11 o'clock where he instruct each of the Deputy Commissioner to be on card and see that to attend to the need of people at the earliest. And also he has formed the regional committee to look into for the better coordination with the different deputy commissioner of the area. So yesterday after the meeting, when I finished my work in office, I went to visit the site in Lumshnang area where the road have been caved in due to the heavy rain in that area. So when I went there, I see that the situation is very grim and the vehicle could not pass through that road, and it is so many of the passengers or travelers they stranded there, and of course the police and the district administration tried to help them in some way or other to see that they could help them, whatever they could help them. So yesterday the PWD, the SP and DC and the site engineer of Nahai was there. So we inspect the road and looking at the condition of the road, and not only that road, and also just ahead of that road, we see that all the material which need to temporarily restore the road, they have reached the site, and Nahai they will try to restore at least temporarily for the small vehicle. but for the big vehicle, it will take time. And ahead of that, as I said before, there is one portion which need attention of the Pludi and Nahai, and also beyond Umkiang. And at Kuliang also, there is some crack in the road, which may put the travelers or the motorists in danger. And also ahead of Umkiang, about 5 kilometers from Ratachara, the road also is starting to cave in. So all necessary precaution is being done, looked into by the district administration, so that no unfortunate incident should happen in the park area. Moreover, to see that the normal traffic in that road could be restored at the earliest. I have no report of anything regarding the non-compliance or compliance, but as you know that this the order issued is very late, and as you know that road communication and network communication also in different part of the state is disturbed. So don't try to point at one or two instances. We have to see at the overall situation in the state.
You have written to the ADCs of the the GHDC and the JHDC to reply. They have not replied yet on charges of corruption, because the Directorate of Audit had found anomalies in the SAG scheme.
I have already replied time and again. I don't want to reply more on that question. Let us see when us on the subject. Let us see. I don't want to reply more because that same question I have replied, I think, only in last 4 days, 3 times. The engineer concerned are the competent people to reply to your question. Or contention is that the traffic could be restored as early as possible with due care that safety is paramount.